Hey guys, I'm the Lockpicking Patrolman, and the lock that I've got today is the second half of the Avis Titanium Euro cylinder that was so kindly sent to me by Tobias and Julian. This half of the cylinder was pinned up with some really nasty alien technology. This one, I believe, is pinned up with even worse nasty, tricky alien technology. Of course, the key that they sent with it has really awesome bitting, as you can see, and it works so smoothly, except for taking it out. Taking it out, you kind of gotta hold your thumb on the core, but anyway, so let's see what it takes to get into this lock. If you happen to see any kitty cats running around in the background, is because I've got the windows sort of halfway open back here. My poor air conditioner, well, it barely made it through the summertime, and tonight we've had some pretty good thunderstorms, so I'm trying to let the house kind of cool down a little bit, and these cats are enjoying all the sounds and smells of what comes from outside because they don't go outside. So anyway, tensioning top of the keyway, and I'm going in with the offset hybrid that Tobias and Julian were kind enough to send to me. Let's see. All right, that was pin 2. Let's go up here. Let's just try from the top here. All right, pin 2. Pin 3, I believe. Pin 4. Maybe. Alright, let me switch to this medium hook. See if I can't get anything out of there. Alright, that was pin 4. Pin 5. Switch back to this one. Okay, 1 is still loose. 2 is loose, which means I believe I've overset something. I have managed to open this lock a couple times off camera. I've not gutted the lock, so I don't know what's inside. Been so tricky. Alright, 3 just fell down again. There's 4. And it feels like, no, not 1. 2 perhaps. Yeah, 2 is binding. There we go. I think we got 2 set. And let's try to set 1. And let's see. Alright, feeling all the way in the back here. 5's binding up. I think I just dropped a couple trying to reach 5. So let's try with the medium hook. Okay, that was 2. Let's get back here to the back. Yep, 5's definitely held up. And back here to the front. It's either 1 or 2. Alright, there's 2. I know 2 is set for right now. See, I think everybody else is set. Let's try for 1. Try with the offset. I'm sorry about the camera bouncing around. That's half of me hitting it with the picks, and we're open. And half of it's because the kitties are running around here all excited. I don't know why they're excited. Maybe they're excited because I got it open. Anyway, there we go. All right, now let's go ahead and get this thing open right on up. And get the lights adjusted just a little bit better for us so we can see what's going on here. All right, this one has one of those tricky C-clips on the back. See if we can get that open without locking it back up. I mean, I do have a key, but well, you guys know me. I really don't like getting a lock with a key. So let's see here if I can hook this side with this. Maybe that side will drag in, but nope, doesn't look like it. All right, let me grab a little screwdriver real quick. I think us lock sporters are the quickest to be able to dive for tools that we need and grab them in a heartbeat. Well, I'll correct that. We are probably second to nurses. Nurses can normally grab whatever tool it is the doctor needs within about 30 seconds before the doctor realizes he needs it or she needs it. Trying to keep this all in frame here. And this is where I wish I knew a great way for me to edit my videos, to add a fast forward, and yep, I just locked it back up. No worries. Alright, it is locked, but you all did see me pick it. Oh, there it is. How nice and simple like. Of course you want to be civil after you get locked up. That's the way most of the people I deal with in my life are. Yep, they'll give you a hard time until you get them locked up. And then they're all just cooperative as can be. Alright. There we go. Alright, so clips off. You guys know how I hate gutting with a key. So let's cross our fingers and kiss our bums goodbye. We're about halfway through. There we go. Sweet. Okay. Let's take this key out carefully without losing the pins. I'm already over my 10-minute mark, but that's all right. Move that there. Keep everything in frame as best I can, although I'm sure I've already dropped it out. Pin 1, 2. They both have serrations. 3 appears to be a standard. 4, another standard, a very long one. Looks like a driver pin, actually, a standard driver pin. So does 5. And whoop, there we go. All is not lost. There's Bernoulli. Came to the rescue. And take out Bernoulli. Excuse me. Thank you. Let's see here. Pin 1, standard. Pin 2 is a serrated. Pin 3 is a very nasty looking homemade serrated. 4 is a standard. And 5, yep, very nasty, serrated, spoolish sort of thing. Let's go ahead and take the springs out. Go ahead and let's see. Let's start with 5. Okay, there's 4 that dropped out. 4 is the copper. Go ahead and move all of this here. Five looks like a copper, but I've been known to be wrong many times before, and I would be wrong about this because let's see, here we go. 5 is a very, very long steel. Let's see, 3. 3 is looks like a regular copper. Switch to the front. 1 is a regular copper. 2 is another very long steel. So, zoom in here at the key pins, and you can see on pin 1, we've got some serrations. Flip that around, that's how that came out. 2 also has some serrations. 3 is a standard, looks like a driver pin. 4 also, and 5 as well. All look like driver pins being used as key pins. Upstairs, we've got standard in 1, a serrated in 2, a very deeply serrated in 3, a standard in 4, and a serrated spool in 5. So, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's taken about, I don't know, maybe 7 tries to get this thing open on camera. So, anyway, if you would, please hit like. Please don't pick any locks that don't belong to you. Please do click subscribe, and please don't pick any locks that are currently in use. Because if I had this much trouble on this lock, then God knows what could happen if you picked a lock that you relied on. So anyway, thanks again, Tobias and Julian. And I'm still working on getting my boss to buy me this police car full size. So anyway, have a great night.